Want to switch to another video editing software, to Lumafusion? In this video, I will show you what can Lumafusion do. Let's go. Make a new project. Let's go. New project. Do Lumafusion. Do. Done. Leave everything blank like that. Okay. Import clip. Okay. Now I'm gonna import my 4K. Okay. 4K for my GH4 flash filming right now to an external SSD drive. Boom! Oh my god! It can edit out the external SSD drive. That's a game changer, my friend. Game changer. You don't have to pay extortion amount for the iPad Apple memory. Okay. Just get the basic model, any basic, latest basic model. $500. This one here, the iPad Air. I have here. $500, and you are in the game, my friend. You are in the game. You can edit 4K out of external SSD. Game changer. Game changer, my friend. Game changer. Okay, right now I have a lot of clips right here. So it's all photos that go to 4K. Just drag on any timeline. Boom. That one. It's loaded up right now. That's it, done. And I can swap through, no problem. See what I'm doing. Okay, always follow my, okay, whatever on the screen is, this is the blue dot. Okay, follow that and you'll be fine. And usually with video editing, right, we need 2 monitors. Okay, but with this you don't have to. There's, because we this far away. I'm only like 30 centimeters away from the screen, right? Not that far. Okay. But with this button right here, you can resize with this user interface changing, dynamic changing. It makes so much difference to what we can do with Lumafusion. Now we don't need 2 monitors. We don't need to. We just need to use this to effectively. Okay. If I need the monitor screen to be bigger, I go to that. If I need to have the timeline bigger, I can do that as well. So with that thing right here, game changer, and you can edit out of this one is 11-inch screen right here I have with the Apple Air. It's a game changer, my friend. It's a game changer. Now, swapping, as you can see, is very fast, right? Very fast. Okay. Okay. It's touch based, so there's a lot of tricks you don't have to do in point, out point. So swipe that down, done. See that clip right there? I just swipe, and it's pick up the clip. So go right here and move around. Let it play. Okay. Clip, done. Okay, change it around. So fast. So if you can edit, okay, based on whatever you want. Okay. Right now it's not as big as you want, but if you drag it down, double tap, bring a big screen, so you have more space to play with. Okay. Okay, done. Bring it on. Boom, down. Now it's on the timeline. Zoom in, zoom out, just use your fingers. Okay. Okay. But you can edit as you normally would, or you can edit on the timeline. Both ways works, okay? So swapping is really fast, okay? Now, how many video tracks and how many audio tracks can we put onto our timeline? Remember, this is a mobile device, an iPad, okay? If you have an iPhone, similar process, okay? But I recommend an iPad because you have more video slate, screen video slate. That's all we want as an editor, right? Right now, I only have one video track. You can drag from here straight to the timeline as well, instead of like the viewer. Boom, another one. I'm just dragging on how many audio track I can play with, okay? So 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 audio tracks. Okay. Let's see what about the video track. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I have 6 there. Okay. Maximum 6 as well. Trash. Okay. Let me explain it now. Right now I have 6 video tracks and 6 audio tracks. That's very cool, right? That's if you do a short documentary film like interview, 3-person interview, you just need 3 tracks, right? For each person, okay? 3-person interview, 3 tracks. Plus you do your audio and B-roll, all that stuff, you can add on. So for most people, 95% of people, 6 audio tracks and 6 video tracks are all we need, okay, for 95% of us out there. Okay, I haven't done a project that has over 6 tracks of audio or video, never. So when was the last time you did a project that has more than 6 tracks of audio or video? When was it? Tell me. Tell me in the comment below, when was the last time you did a project that has that much? Okay, if you are in a Hollywood movie, you have multiple characters. Of course, you gotta use a different software for that, right? But for most people, documentary, short film, my friend, this is powerful enough for you to do all your editing work. It also support a lot of audios, okay? Plugin, okay? For example, how about that? I have an equalizer, graphic equalizer, EQ, in me right here, and it's touch based. I can play around with it, doesn't matter which one. Okay? It's there, built in. Okay? We have like limiter, and do all this stuff. But the good thing is, I can add plugins, my favorite plugins. And with Apple and iOS device, there's so many plugs in for your project. But for most people, the graphic equalizer, the limiter, normalizer, that's all we need. There's enough there. High pass filter, high shelf filter, low pass filter, everything we need for most people is here. It's built in ready. So the latest version 3.0 has become a game changer for most video editor. That's why I switched from other platform, other application. Okay, I was a Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve user, but with that, right, you need to have a lot of hardware. Yeah, you don't have hardware upgrade. But my friend, the iPad, the iOS, is very powerful nowadays. Very powerful. 4K, no problem. Cropping, no problem. Right now, it does not. Lumafusion does not support multicam editing. Okay, so you have multicams. Tap 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 tap. Okay, but I've seen the demonstration of the future update. Okay, the editor, the main editor, she played with it. There's 12 multicam built-in future updates of the software of the app here. They are developing the software to make it more better and better each and every day. So my friend, right now is the best time to jump in to Lumafusion. See how small this is, right? I can edit this anywhere, my friend, anywhere. and that's it. You are good to go, you know, with this kind of just an iPad. $500. Now, if you need to use other software, right? You need to buy what? The license. Depends how much you what brand, Adobe, DaVinci Resolve. But you have to update your hardware as well. My friend, I'm telling you, the iPad, the latest they have, or second, just last year generation, they can edit 4K, no problem. Now, one big question: can Lumafusion color grade? The answer is yes, but with a caveat. Okay, let me double click, tap on this one. Now I can go to this clip here, color and effects. Okay, original. Okay, warm up it up. Okay, make sure it's really done. Okay, brightness go up there so you know that I'm doing some editing to it. But this thing is, it's not raw. My file from the GH4 is not a raw capture. So if you want to play with raw color grading, you need a raw document, my friend, or a very flat profile. Okay. Right now, Lumafusion does not support raw capture editing. Okay. So color grading, you still can color grade, but the quality is not as good as you expect from a raw capture. Okay. This one, if I grade too much, it will degrade. It's a 8-bit color profile. Okay. So if I grade too much, it will degrade the image. It's not Lumafusion fault that they not supporting raw Apple ProRes or Blackmagic RAW, but it's Apple iOS system, the iPad. Okay, they haven't support the file yet. But right now, Lumafusion does not support color grading, raw capture, flat file, color grading. But you can see, you can do contrast, all that stuff. Okay, brightness, but the quality might be varies. Okay, if you push it too much, it might degrade the image quality at the end. Okay, so it's not in computer term that they have GIGO, right? Garbage in, garbage out. Okay, this is not garbage in, right? But it's not the best. Okay, it's somewhere in between. Okay, but if you have a lot of garbage in, okay, you gotta have a garbage out. Full stop. So if you want to play a lot with color grading, right now, my friend, it's not the time for you to jump full on. Okay, have one foot on Lumafusion, because that's the future, my friend. And $500, and you can play do other stuff this as well. You know, it's $500. Okay. The GPU graphic, you know, right now I couldn't get a decent one for cheap on my PC computer to run other software, right? I know, my friend. Right now the DaVinci Resolve is free. It's free, right? But you have to upgrade your computer, right? It can't run just on a normal computer. You need to upgrade your computer to run those kind of software to make editing in video worthwhile. Okay. Yes, my friend. Thanks for watching this far. My name is Travel Chow. I'm a TimelapseNuts. But as you can see, Lumafusion can do a lot. And if you're on the fence about switching to Lumafusion, my friend, if you have the iPad ready, download it. Download the software. $30 US, and you're in the game and learn from my tutorial, for other people's tutorial, and you will know, you will soon find out, like I have, that Lumafusion can do 95% of all the things that I want to do. Could be for you, but it's getting there, it's getting better and better. So as a mobile device and as a trendsetter, you should consider Lumafusion. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll make this kind of content for you. I'll see you next time with another tutorial, opinion. I'll see you next time.